Hey guys, today I want to show you how to replace screen for iPhone XS. So the screen is already have a line, so it's very easy to change. So you just see there is two screws, one and two. We need to remove these two screws and then you use this tool for push up for the screen and use this tool for moving the screen, just like that. Okay, and smooth and slightly. Okay, and then move the screws. One, two, three, four, okay, and remove this one, move this one, and your screen is off. And we have brand new screen here, iPhone XS. So first of all, you make sure you remove these all tapes. Okay, and then put it back, this check, this second one. Okay, and just double check for screen is working. If it's not work, you need to remove the battery jack and put it back. Okay, and push start button. Okay, it's working, it's turning on, and then you can put it back your strip in this area where you have to remove. Okay, and first you need to put small screws. This is very small. And this bigger one, just put it here. Okay, and close back. Okay, so your phone is ready to go, and then you just nicely slowly it just close from everywhere. Okay, thanks for watching.